Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to learn another problem from LeetCode. Problem number is 35 and the problem statement search insert position. Okay, so here we can see the problem statement. Given a sorted array of distinct integer. Okay, so this is the sorted array with distinct integers and a target value, this one. Okay, return the index if the target is found. Okay, you can return the index if target is found. Target equals to 5. If we find out 5 here, we need to return index of this. Okay, so 5 at what index? We have found 5 at 2, so that's why they wrote 2 here. Okay, if not, return the index where it would be if it is where inserted in order. Okay, so here you can see target equals to 2, so we don't have any 2, then return 1. Okay, return 1 0 1. Here it would be. If not, return the index where it would be if it is if it were inserted in order. Okay, uh, we need to find out 2 in this number. If 2 is not here, then we need to return index where it would be. So here this will be located if it is in number of list. Okay, here you can see another example. 1 2 3 5 6, target equals to 7. So here we don't have any 7 here, so we need to return its index. There it would be after 6. So this that I mean this is the index 4. Their target will be there. Okay, so here I need to write logic. Okay, so left equals to left, left equals to 0 and right equals to length of numbers minus 1, while left is less than equals to right colon. I need to find out mid equals to left plus right divided by 2. Okay, if numbers mid number equals to target, return mid. And if numbers of mid is less than target, left equals to mid plus 1, else right equals to mid minus 1. Return left. In previous example, we returned minus 1. Okay, here we are going to return left. Okay, because we give an index. If element not present, so we will guess where it is located in the number of list or number of the array. So that's why here you can see 7 is not in the list, so we need to return left index of for 7. If 7 is present there, this this would be at index 4. I mean, this will be at index 4. Sorry for my English, I am weak in English. Okay. If numbers and UMS numbers mid equals to target. Okay, so here name mid is not defined. Did you mean mind? Okay guys, I have missed this. Okay, so this is the mid, not mind. Okay, so I need to uh, okay, this will give wrong answer. 43 cases passed from 66. I think I have indentation error because I need to return outside. Okay, so now I can check again. Okay, so our answer is accepted. I think guys you got this problem. Okay, okay, like if you have no, not this problem, this one. Like if you have numbers 1 3 5 6, target equals to 5, left equals to 0 and right equals to 3, mid equals to 1. Okay, and number at mid 0 1 3, 3 is less than 5, go right and left equals to 2. Here you can see left equals to 2 and right equals to 3, mid number equals to 2. So eh, number at 2 equals to 5. Here 0 1 2 and target which is equal to a target, so return 2. Okay, okay guys, bye bye, take care. Please do share, subscribe and like and comments. Bye bye.